Okay na lang bro.
Yeah.
Kat!
You can see there.
Kat! Kat! Naku, nakakita na naman siya ng spiro. Kat! Kat!
Kat, come here. Ano yung umihi ka?
Why? You just looking for
Yeah.
That's what I forgot to bring. Pating ko.
I'm not sure, but I think I have.
Ano yun? Suka! May suka ako. Let's go na.
Karen, Benadryl, anti-itch. Yes, but not too much though. What do you have there?
She's looking.
I think I'm gonna go.
Paano mo muna yung mga ano? Okay, come on. Let's go, Kat. Okay.
You think you're gonna have a chance to go to the circuit?
Okay, let's wear this
Okay.
So guys, we're about to use the canoe now. This is the exciting part. This is my first time to do this thing, and hopefully I can do it. Kaya ko panindigan. So guys, huminto muna kami. Napaka-tahimik. The place is quiet and it's windy, and sometimes there's a current, and it's already almost like we're pedaling for almost like an hour and we're still not near on our destination, but I think that's really the challenge, as I've said a while ago. It's out of my comfort zone, so what to do, right? I mean, like, as I've said, back at least. So yeah, so we're just gonna keep going, and probably sabi nga nila, it's not the destination, it's the journey. Okay. Drama, oh. Okay, just stay there, stay ka lang. Yeah, I'm doing the Gia now. Yeah, just keep pedaling on that side. Yeah. Sige, mag-ano ka sa kabila muna, Pastor Joey. The current is really strong here. Yung isang kasama namin, sorry, tumaob yung kanyang canoe. It's good thing that we're just starting that time. You know, we're just started, and they're not really in the deep area. So this is the first time that I did this canoe. It's actually at first it's scary. It was scary, but until now it's still scary because you know, you feel you have that kind of feeling that imbalance. You know, like you try to sit still so that the canoe will not how do you say, tilt it really tilt it tilt
Other thing.
right. So yeah. Okay. Oh, di ba may break pa kami? Okay, I will guide now. Teka, bakit dito? Teka, wait ha. Mali pala. Yeah. Diyan ka. Yeah. Ba't may current dito? Sorry. That's me. Yeah. There. So yeah, that's the only thing about canoeing. You have to master how to guide your canoe. At first parang ang ano namin, ang speed namin parang we are ekis kami. Pero ngayon medyo we kinda get the hang of it. We kinda get used to it. But it's still that feeling of I'm not really comfortable doing it because probably, you know, I'm not used to it. But the experience is, how do you say the things? The experience is priceless. Yeah, you know. Well, at least you experience how I experience how to do this thing. You know. Siguro I would say this is part of my bucket list na, right? Bucket list, one of the bucket list has been fulfilled, right? Canoeing. So guys, finally we arrived to our destination. It's like I don't know how. Siguro we probably almost like we canoeing, we were pedaling for almost like 1.5 hours. It's really
Pero no because
ano talagang my muscle is used, my muscle, right? Yeah, so if you can, as you can see, we're gonna set up our tent there. It's very, guys, talaga namang ano siya, it's a really remote area. So this is our company.
don't push.
So and then our muscle guy,
Yeah.
Jonatas.
Especially that because
So-
of this adobo. That is that.
Anyways, so we're going to set up our tent now and our stuff. So we have to be careful kasi nga para hindi siya, he's not gonna get wet. So So guys, finally, na-set up ko rin yung tent ko. Ano lang, there's a lot of mosquitoes. So, and then, yung mga flies, mga langaw malalaki, nangangagat din. Yun. So I have a bigger tent. Let me help our friends there. So guys, finally na set up ko na nga yung tent, as you can see behind me. Well, it's very remote. It took us like almost 2 hours just pedaling, and it's really tiring. Now I feel sleepy, but I'm just gonna give you a little bit of a tour of the place so that you have an idea. So yeah, okay, so here guys. This is where we dock our canoe, and yeah, this is where we took our stuff, you know. At first it's kind of like because like you were sitting in a canoe, and you know, it's kind of like I feel that my gait is kind of not stable because you know, you've been sitting like for 1.5 hours. So yeah, I'm just gonna give you a tour of the place. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna make a rounds and show them my viewers the the place. So talagang ano, it's behind us is a forest, and yeah, as you can see, my tent, I tried to make it as more comfort and convenient for me. You know, even it's just a tent, at least you have this air mattress inside. You know, like even you are in a forest, it's like if you live in a condo. Yeah, like a one-bedroom apartment. Okay, so these are my company. So actually, there's an incident happened before we started. One of the canoe, how do you say that? Bumaliktad. So nahulog yun ng dalawang sakay doon sa canoe, and they were all both wet, and the stuff that they were on the canoe. So now they are hanging their clothes to get it dry. So yeah. So right now we are preparing our, probably this is lunch because it's almost, I don't know what time is it, probably it's 2 p.m. and yeah. So guys, thank you for if you got this far watching this, thank you very much for following. So this is gonna be like probably a 3 series or 3 episodes of my Algonquin National Park. So yeah, so thank you for following me.